we get into the meat of the video, I want to talk about our sponsor of today's video, Bioptimizers. Bioptimizers is an innovative supplement company delivering well-researched, well-thought-out supplements to the masses. I have been using their blood sugar breakthrough on my fast days just to try it out and see if it helps lower my blood sugar, helps me lower my cravings, and I have been blown away by the results. Blood Sugar Breakthrough by Bioptimizers is clinically tested to normalize blood sugar response. It significantly blunts sugar cravings and stops overall energy roller coaster that we experience throughout the day. Sometimes we're up, sometimes we're down. Not a great feeling, but this is all based on your insulin, your blood sugar hormone levels throughout the day. This supplement supports weight loss, especially belly fat, and Blood Sugar Breakthrough helps to lower blood sugar levels through a unique formula. It also supports hormone balance, stress response, and my favorite is anti-aging. All Bioptimizers products comes with a 365-day money-back guarantee, so if you don't like it, if this didn't come through for you, go ahead and return it. I like to take one in the day, one at night, even on my feast days, to just not be as responsive to blood sugars from my meals throughout the day. My hormone is more leveled and I don't feel cranky. So if you're interested in adding a supplement to your feast and fast day, go ahead and check out Bioptimizers. I'm going to have all the information linked down for you down below in the description box. And now let's get back to the video. Hi everyone, Colleen here, back with another video. And if you're new here, welcome. This is a what I eat in a day while alternate day fasting video. I'm just focusing on what I eat, and this morning I start off with a protein coffee. I use the Garden of Life organic protein powder in the vanilla flavor. This has been my go-to protein powder for well over a year now. I like the macronutrients and the calories, plus it's chock full of really good ingredients, plus it's plant-based. I love collagen for creamy skin and lubricated joints and ligaments. If you're interested, I have a link down below in the description box that you can shop from to support me. I also like to add Silk Almond Creamer. This is dairy-free in the sweet and creamy flavor. I go ahead and add all of that to my large mason jar. I add 1 scoop of the protein powder, 2 scoops of collagen, and my instant Colombian roast coffee. I love my coffee iced. I stick a metal straw in it, and that is my breakfast, literally breaking my fast. So this is my outfit of the day. I'm rocking some Amazon shorts. I have links down below if you're interested, along with this cool graphic tee. I felt like a really cool mom that day. I got the rose quartz around my neck for love and guidance, and we're off to enjoy our day. After the playground, we visited Grandma's house, and she loves making plantains for my youngest. Of course, I had to partake in some. Along with some Turkey Hill pomegranate iced tea. So refreshing and light. Perfect. I left my baby boy with grandma and I hit the gym real quick. The only thing I do at the gym is lower body. Heavy lifting. First I started off with squats. Then I did deadlifts. I hit some hip thrusts. And these are all compound movements. They help build my lower body in multiple areas. These movements are highly effective in helping to shape and build my lower body curves. So they are go-tos in every routine for me. To build my thighs, my quads, I hit the leg extension machine and the leg curl machine. I did the hip abduction machine, which I forgot to film, and ended off my gym visit with the weighted back extensions. All these moves are my go-tos. Feel free to watch my go-to gym routine video to see why I love these moves. And in tradition, I left to go to the supermarket after my gym visit and hit the sushi bar. I always get some sushi and a protein drink and some fruit just to replenish after my gym session. I have been aiming consciously to get more protein, and this is my go-to protein drink. This is the Koya protein shake in vanilla, and it's plant-based. I picked up a shrimp tempura roll and a California roll. I love getting pineapples because they're always sweet from the supermarket. And lucky for me, it's now cherry season. I bought this bag of cherries and every single cherry I picked out was firm, sweet, delicious. I went in on this bag of cherries. Later on in the day, I went to my local vintage Emporium and I snagged a few cool goodies for home decor. Remember this is still so nice. After I went shopping, I made it home and I made one of my favorite snacks lately. As I'm consciously making an effort to get more protein in, I picked up this Oikos Greek yogurt that has 15 grams of protein and no artificial sweeteners, 1 cup of Chobani yogurt, which is a coconut yogurt. This one is in the almond cocoa loco. I sprinkle some birthday cake granola for some crunch. Added some super sweet fresh blueberries, and I topped it all off with this Badia Trilogy flax, chia, and hemp seed mix on top for healthy omega-3s and fiber. And I have been loving this snack. It has been my go-to. It is so filling, so crunchy, so delicious, and nutritious. For dinner, I'm making some brown rice with salmon and shrimp in like a teriyaki glaze. So I have this minute brown rice. I have some broccoli. I'm just going to use 1 bag. And I have my shrimp and salmon that I had marinating overnight in a teriyaki glaze, just so all the flavors could seep in. And I just go ahead and add some olive oil to the pan and cook. I feel like a real adult when I cook for myself because I've been used to my entire life having others cook for me, so this is true adulting for me right now. Hashtag privileged. There's always a way, and you don't have to wait. Okay? I'm gonna see y'all real soon. Okay, y'all, so in the last episode, I was talking about how I want us to start moving. Before I eat my dinner, I'm gonna have a cup of carrot juice. Carrot juice is a powerhouse drink, great for skin and eyes. This is the Bolthouse Farms brand, and it's made with 100% carrot juice. Also going to go ahead and take my vitamins and supplements. This is the Curls Blissful Lens Hair Vitamin. I take my ox bile supplements to help with nutrition absorption. I take my 1-a-day multi, and I take my D3 K2 vitamin. Oh, and my cod liver oil because creamy skin. I'm a master pill taker, so I put all of these in my mouth and I take it down in 1 gulp. No problem for me. Yeah, it might be weird. Later that night, while watching one of these housewife franchises, I snacked on some pistachios, which is a great snack. I love to get in healthy fats because creamy skin, okay? Nuts are chock full of just healthy fats, and healthy fats are great for the skin. Also going in with some Grace 100% coconut water. This has no pulp, no added sugar. Grace tastes the best to me. I'm not about that Vita Coco life, no. Tell me in the comments what your favorite nighttime snack is while you're watching your guilty pleasures. I'm interested to know. Go ahead and hit the like button if you'd like to support my channel, and subscribe if you'd like to see more. I hope you enjoyed this straightforward what I eat in a day, and I will see you in the next one. Bye-bye.